This is Ormolda Sensor Studio coming up in 32 minutes. We will quickly deliver the latest news from the Middle East. This is Saudi Arabia. Iran has launched an airstrike targeting a US military base in Saudi Arabia for the first time in 4.5 months. But the problem is that Iran attacked Saudi Arabia even though Pakistan had declared that any attack on Saudi Arabia would be considered an attack on Pakistan. The released footage shows a missile directly striking the Prince Sultan Air Base in Saudi Arabia. This is Bandar Abbas, Iran. The US military attacked 6 bridges in Bandar Abbas, Iran. Vehicles are simply crossing the dry riverbed. Above all, there is a growing issue of drinking water shortages within Iran. Tasnim news agency reports that after an airstrike destroyed their water sources, drinking water for 20 villages and 10,000 people in Bandar Abbas, Iran, was cut off. The US military also destroyed this bridge. Also, in the southern Hormozgan province of Iran, 1 road tunnel and 3 bridges were damaged by US airstrikes. This footage was taken in Iran. You can see missiles being launched. This footage shows an Iranian Revolutionary Guard Navy drone attacking a vessel near Hormuz. The Guard also launched a cruise missile at a US warship in the northern Indian Ocean today, but it missed its target. Iran's military used drones to attack US bases and communication sites in Bahrain. Evacuation convoys were seen in Iraqi Kurdistan after an Iranian attack caused an ammo depot fire that burned for nearly 1 hour. The autonomous government evacuated nearby residents. The vehicles are heading south. This is Erbil, Iraq. Air defense activity by CRAM has been detected in Erbil. Drones are flying near the US military base, targeting the area. Explosions have been reported in Kuwait, presumed to be an Iranian attack. Also, Kuwait Airways has informed passengers that takeoffs and landings at Kuwait International Airport have been temporarily suspended due to the recent Iranian attack. This is Kuwait. Iranian missiles have attacked the US military base in Kuwait, and black smoke continues to rise. Sirens are continuously sounding. This is Kuwait. Similarly, there was an Iranian airstrike. This is Bahrain. An explosion has occurred in Bahrain. Iran's senior military advisor, Mohsen Reza, has warned that if the United States continues to bomb Iran, Tehran will escalate the situation into a full-scale war. Iran's Revolutionary Guard has warned countries hosting US troops to prepare for corresponding retaliation, according to Iran's semi-official Tasnim news agency. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard has demanded that those countries activate civil defense units to protect their citizens and evacuate them safely from potential military targets, claiming that their territories are being used as platforms for attacks against Iran. The US State Department is urging increased vigilance across the region as hostilities escalate. In a statement on X, the State Department warned that rising Middle East tensions make the security environment complex with possible unexpected escalation. They strongly advised citizens to review their travel plans and said Americans should reconsider travel to or through the Middle East. As tensions between the US and Iran have resurfaced, the number of ships passing through the Strait of Hormuz has dropped to its lowest level in 3 weeks, according to Marine Traffic, a maritime traffic information site. The maritime information site Marine Traffic announced on Thursday that only 8 ships passed through the monitored Strait of Hormuz section, a significant decrease from 15 ships the previous day. Kuwait's Ministry of Electricity, Water, and Renewable Energy reported Saturday that Iran's attack damaged another power and desalination facility, sparking a fire in some equipment. The Ministry of Energy said they shut down several power plants as a preventive measure to protect the facilities, workers, and the grid. The Iraqi government has signed agreements with Western oil companies and oil companies in the region, which include restoring energy supply routes so that Baghdad can export oil without using the Strait of Hormuz. This preliminary agreement, signed at the US-Iraq Economic Summit last Friday at the US Chamber of Commerce in Washington, D.C., is part of Baghdad's effort to lessen dependence on the strait. If there are more updates, I'll mention them in the video and upload it. That concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.